Lakad-lakad kami, hanapin namin yung ano, yung horseback riding area, tsaka yung ATV.
Do you want to ride a horse? Mama will hold you. Okay? Yeah. Somewhere is a tree.
Careful ah, slippery. Oh, there's a snake.
Huh? There's a small bridge over there. Yeah, there.
So this is the chapel, guys. If you go to Pranjito, you can come here and pray.
Where's the one?
So we're going down. Papunta kami sa fish pond. Meron silang maliliit na cottage dito. Diyan. So siguro pwede mo din i-rent yan sa mga gusto mag-fishing. And we found a duck here. She's alone. Ano ito? Fruit. Maraming santol dito, santol fruit. Maraming hulog-hulog. It's like there is uy, parang may nagkatay dito ng duck. So may sapa dito, fish pond yata to. May isda nga dito. May ikot ha, mag-ikot-ikot ha. I'll show you guys the fishing pond. May natural siya na sapa. Yan. May flow ng water going there sa fish pond nila. Ay, wala. Ay, may isda. There's a fish snack going there. Wow, there is rambutan, oh. I saw a rambutan tree. Rambutan fruit. I think it's fine to get some fruit here. Without permission, we will steal. Yeah. Yeah, this is rambutan. Na nato tanan. So ito yung back part ng kuan na yun.
I got a rainbow.
Yun yung conference. Malapit na namin naikot ang buong facility ng Pranjito. Ayan, kanina nasa likod kami ng conference hall nila. Ngayon, nasa gilid kami dyan na park. So, ito pala yung trail ng ATV nila. Siguro dito lang din ang kabayo, no?
Pa, pag una hindi lagi sinunod ko pa, di man sinunod ko sa una. Ganito. Yeah. Dito to papa ko. Si Papa lang, not you. That's all.
One, two, three, jump! Oh! Na, look at me!
Ang galing ang giikuan.
Jump! Wow! Bang!
Ang kuwan sa Manika, gibalita nga batin Tagalog na daw.
Excuse me!
Ano?
Oh, 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 oh!
Siya, handok, kalawan sa mga bata.
Hop!
Don't
Hop!
worry.
Hop! Lolo! Biskot!